In this video, we will discover 12 tips to live well on a low salary according to Dave Ramsey. We should listen to an expert regarding financial advice. Dave Ramsey has been in the financial game for a long time, so he knows much about budgeting and helping people get by on low salaries. First, let's clarify that low salary means $14,580 a year for one person and $30,000 for a family of 4, according to one widely used federal guideline. That might not sound like a lot of flexibility in discretionary spending money, but this is where Ramsey can help step by step. Alright, let's get started. 1. Use a gas budgeting app. This may be something like the Gas Buddy app, which helps you find the cheapest places to purchase your gas locally. 2. Enroll in a gas reward program. While you're at the pump, sign up for the rewards program to get offers and discounts every time you take your car. You won't really feel it for now, but in the long run, you will definitely settle on an average saving of $1 for every gallon of fuel you put into your car. 3. Automate your savings. There are a lot of ways to work with your employer and your bank so that the predetermined amount of your paycheck goes into your savings every payday. You're not spending that money. It is almost a set it and forget it deal, and the money keeps building up without you having to think about it. 4. Cancel automatic subscriptions. Remove any automated subscriptions from your life. All they do is eat up money on services you likely do not use often or at all. 5. Make a budget. Sounds simple, but not everyone writes out the budget and follows it. Do it for a week, then a month, then a whole year. You will find out that it teaches you how to stay within the boundaries and guidelines that you have set for yourself and helps you not only save but stop overspending. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to join the community. Your support helps us create even more awesome content and share it with the world. 6. Compare insurance rates. It is best to shop around and see what works better for you and your lifestyle. Not all insurance is created equal, so why pay more for a plan that doesn't fit you? 7. Buy generic brands. Why pay more for something name brand when you can get the same thing at the same quality with a generic brand? Large chain stores like Walmart have good generic brands that will make you shop with a mind of frugality. 8. Skip restaurants. Part of your budgeting can include this one easy step. Don't go to restaurants. Instead, cook at home. Have a potluck with friends and neighbors and save money on eating out. 9. Sell things you never use. Junk. Everyone has it, but no one needs it. What is lying around your home that you can clear off and make some extra cash in the process? Do not bother if you don't have a garage or yard to conduct a sale event. You can match sellers and buyers in no time through platforms like Craigslist. 10. Buy used clothes. There is no point in spending extra cash on new clothes when there will be a lot of used clothes that you can get cheap. All you have to do is inquire about the function of the items you have on, then shop in the used clothing outlet to meet that need. 11. Plan a staycation. Everyone loves a vacation, but not everyone can afford one. Try a staycation instead. While traveling, housing, and meals might not be in the cards for everyone's budget, no one should be denied taking a break or just doing it from home and exploring the cool things in their area during their next time off. 12. Ask about discounts. This can seem intimidating at first if there is no discount listed for what you're buying. Lots of stores have fantastic deals they don't always publicize to general population of buyers. So if you never ask, you will never get the discount available to you. So next time you make a purchase, be brave and ask an employee about a discount. Now what's your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Also, remember to be subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. Thanks for watching.